Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common question in English. What is the difference between may and might? Let's explore this using clear examples. First, let's look at the definitions. May and might are both modal verbs used to express possibility. However, they can convey slightly different meanings. May is often used to indicate a possibility that is more likely or certain. It can also be used to ask for permission. I may go to the party if I finish my homework. In this example, friend A believes there's a good chance they will go to the party. May I leave the room? Now, let's look at might. This word is often used to suggest a possibility that is less certain than may. I might visit the museum if I have time. The person thinks it's possible, but they are not sure if they will have time. Let's compare a couple of examples side by side. It may rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. Both sentences express the possibility of rain, but may suggests a stronger likelihood, while might implies it's less certain. Now that we've cleared up the difference, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Which sentence is more likely? 1. I may go to the concert. 2. I might go to the concert. Ready? The first option, I may go to the concert, suggests a higher possibility. Thank you for joining us today. Now you know the difference between may and might. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English tips.